Allianz Center for Technology was founded in 1971. So Professor Max Danner had the visionary idea to investigate these issues with scientific methods. On the one hand, learning from accidents. On the other hand, looking at the construction of motor vehicles and the repairability. And that has been the main themes for AZT over the last 50 years. The crash track in the Allianz Center for Technology was built in the 70s. On these crash tracks, very important international standards have been developed, which even today influence the automotive industry as well as insurance premiums for millions of customers. With more than 7,000 crash tests, the Allianz Center for Technology has contributed to more road safety. After a crash, the cars get dismantled here, and then we look which part has been damaged and which part is still okay. That leads to the calculation of damages, which ultimately decides what will be the classification of the car. More and more, the cars we are dealing with are electrical vehicles. On this Volkswagen ID.3, you can see the battery, which is the biggest component on the car, and at the same time the most expensive. Therefore, it's very important to protect this in case of an accident. On modern cars, we see more and more sensors. The point about sensors in accident repair is they need to be calibrated, and you need the tools and also the expertise to do this kind of calibration. We work closely with the repair industry to find methods for economic repairs for these sensors. One of the big topics for the Allianz Center for Technology has always been the question repair versus replacement. The first thing a customer sees after repair is the painting of the car. The big question is, does the color match or does it not match? The repair should be invisible at the end of the day. And the challenge for the repairer, for the painter, is to find the right color out of 200,000 different colors that are available on the market. We use a measuring device to find the right color, which is then found in a database, and that again helps the painter to mix the right combination of colors. 1/4 of the repair costs comes from the painting from the car. The Allianz Center for Technology early on in the 1970s developed a paint calculation tool that allows the experts or the body shops or the insurers to calculate in a technically correct manner the repair time and also the material costs. The AZT paint calculation tool is the leading independent calculation tool worldwide for painting. It is used 15 million times per year. In many modern vehicles, a lot of driver assistance systems are standard equipment today, and they help to prevent accidents. The way we deal with driver assistance systems is twofold. On the one hand, we analyze anonymized data from Allianz Insurance. On the other hand, we do testing, and we work on testing standards. We do this together with vehicle manufacturers, but also together with insurance research worldwide. The effort leads to standards that help to make driver assistance systems comparable, and this way we can help the manufacturers to improve the systems. The automobile future can be described in 3 main terms. It's electrification, it's connectivity between vehicles, and it's automation of vehicles. All these 3 mega trends have an influence on insurance but also services, and there are a lot of chances. Looking at connectivities of cars, they are computer networks on wheels. The important factor here is the production The development and the life cycle of a vehicle is a very long period. It takes all in all about 30 years. So what we need is to build up risk management capabilities and systems which deal with these issues over the whole life cycle of the vehicle. And here also insurance and insurance-funded research plays a major role, because we can feed back our experience into the development of new vehicles. Road safety only comes to life when the different elements work together smoothly. That is the driver, the vehicle technology, but also road infrastructure. Our mission can only be achieved when we work across industries and also in international and interdisciplinary manner, now and in the future.